This is my 1977 Ford B500 school bus, and I've been living in it for 8 years now.
Cool.
I've got my stuff set up here because we're at Skoolies, but this is what I like to do when I'm on the road, is different creative outlets. So I make stuff out of reclaimed copper, scrap wire, and all kinds of things like that. And it's just easy to put it up here on the side of my bus when I park and set up a little display at events or on the side of the road or wherever. But the bus life is a good life to have. So come on, take a look.
All right.
So I kept the inside real nice and open. I wanted plenty of space in here, and the bed folds up kind of futon style, so I can have some more room back there. And then the kitten is my co-pilot. Say hi, kitty kitty. Yeah.
Everybody needs a guard cat.
That's right. I like having a cat along for the ride, and she's enjoying it as well because she's a real traveling cat.
Yeah, it's like my cat. I start the bus up, she immediately runs up front and was like, hey, where are we going now?
Oh yeah, she'll jump up and she'll have her head right out the window. But there's kind of a lot of people and dogs here today, so she's overwhelmed and just
well, my cat hates everybody, and she's not here, so yeah. If I take her out, I got a harness for her. She's like water. She'll just decide she wants to go that way, and she'll just slip right out of it. And
yeah, it is tricky. I keep her on a little leash as well, mainly so I can keep track of her. But she sticks around. She knows her bus, and it's really cute. She'll climb up on the hood and then in through the window, so she'll just be able to come in and out.
Yeah, mine likes to hop up on the back of the seat and look at the semis going by, because obviously on the highway I'm getting past. Yeah. I'm not going that fast.
Yeah.
So anyway,
right on. Well, all the way in the back here, got a little closet bathroom, and then I've got room for all my clothes and whatnot in this cabinet. Room for storage and stuff all in here, so that's really convenient. And then up front I just kept my kitchen nice and simple, but I did want to have a tall countertop because the bus windows are kind of a low profile, so instead of having to be down there all the time, I've got this countertop up here, and that's really nice because I can prep food and everything and have some storage underneath.
Sure.
And kept all my systems pretty simple. I just got my fresh and gray water right here under the sink, and then that way I don't have to worry about hauling too much water or loading up much water, but I'll upgrade it soon.
I like the plate and cup storage.
Thank you. Yeah, this gets a lot of compliments. This is all metal originally, of course, so I've got my metal plates on magnets, and I can just stick them all up there and drip dry, easy peasy.
Yeah, exactly.
And I added in all this storage kind of up here along the areas where there's plenty of room, but the curve of the roof makes it so you can't really get over there anyway. So
yeah, I know.
That's
we all have to fight the curve. So I take it your table folds down if you want. I mean, you don't have to show me, but
no, totally. It's actually kind of nifty because what I decided to do is have some storage here underneath.
All right.
And then that way there's some shelves, and then the little table leg can fit right in there, and you can close the table down. So makes it kind of more space and convenient when I drive, and then I can just pop the table up. I have a little mobile workstation here too for when I do photo editing and video editing, that sort of thing. So a little bit of modern splashes here and there. And that brings us up to the front, which is definitely as original as I could keep it. I just got done doing a motor swap on this bus, so it's got now a motor and transmission from a 1997 F350.
Ooh, fancy.
So, a little bit of a heart transplant, yeah, but I kept it old school enough that it just has a some wiring, computer in it, but nothing too crazy. And it was a lot of work, but it was definitely worth it. And I'm getting ready to upgrade to 4-wheel drive next too, so that's going to be
that'll be interesting.
That's going to be the big one. But yeah, it's really nifty to be able to cruise around in this thing. And of course the driver's chair is on a swivel, so I can bring it back around when it's time to drive. But other than that, it's pretty awesome cruising down the road, just looking over the tops of all the cars. And another little feature I like that I added in, this is in my backup camera, connected to the mirror. If it's plugged in, I think I unplugged it for the batteries, but I've got a backup camera on the back, and it just goes right through the mirror, and that way I can see my motorcycle and what's going on back there. And gives a little more ease of going down the road.
Yeah, my backup camera is more like, how close am I to that tree?
Right,
Yeah.
yeah, it's like, what is back there? Because I can't really see. Up here on the front, I've got stickers from all my different travels. Like I was saying, I've been in the bus for 8 years now, and there was only one sticker here when I first got it. So all the different journeys and travels, and yeah, everything's on stickers and magnets. And
Yeah, very nice. I like what you did. Looks
Thank you.
nice and comfortable.
thank you.